go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. And this be what matter come. What be the matter where you come? You know say Ghana here every day we get plenty pastors where them day the what the country inside. If I the top pastors, I the top popular pastors with them day where Ghanaians know them wow, them are I today what they them at top. The likes of Koku Before, I don't know say Reverend Before or something, people know him. Then Obinim. Obinim in church all where you dey Ghana here no. Then say you close all the what the branches. You know say recent times you know we dey no. Some man be where the bellam Kennedy Japan. In there you host where the bellam Koku Anna, where them dey in the 2TV. Where them come say that they can't expose fake what? Pastors where them dey Ghana here inside no. Now Obinim name dey what inside. They hit them where them go bring an amount say pastor where there some celebrities to be where them dey the system inside the what they do that something. I tell you do that something now you know what they do. When it comes say Obinim go around go akosomo. When Ghanaian people they talk say where Obinim dey, where Obinim dey, where Obinim dey. Where in what in small pastor be come out where you come talk say Obinim dey he dey wa na he dey what he dey go do in spiritual what in west no then in what he come. That be the something where in junior pastor talk. Where some talk say in the churches where he dey all the what the branches where he dey Ghana here all no. Then they put what then they close down for the meantime. Where Obinim come no, Obinim can do some corrections be for the something inside for what in junior pastor no what can talk no. Obinim can talk say if it true you know he say now plenty issues and things there. You know be say sake of the expose no or sake of the something way happen way he now go hide you know. You know he say you know be in crowd and you be he no go hide because he dey believe himself say he be what he be correct pastor way they give correct akwanchere then things you can in there way your matter you take your matter can in front papa you go someone give you there nothing go happen. He say you go take breaks take off. You go the spiritual realm inside no. You go spy what they happen and things. You go spy things where you go do give mankind. You go do give Ghanaians where them day in church you know. So say them are things where they do no. You go what? You go forward and things. Now if you true now you know there in churches no way they across the nation there. You go close and because the president in what in directives where you bring you know there. You be yawa give am because you know if you do first service, second service. Third service and things say you be stressful wow. Now so you know you talk say you know go do that thing. So you know Obinim no go come out. They can't talk the particular what the particular day, then time, then things, them now they go what? They go come church. This the matter where you what you come. You don't say Obinim there, we know I'm one of the what controversy prophets where he did. Where you do plenty people they talk in matter and things say they mention quotation if you take the thing you go about where plenty people radio station and things invite them where it say you got a brain sometimes crown you know the quotation where they want talk or sometimes you want talk some matter but the quotation they drop from some place can hear inside but I say sometimes you go by the quotation inside that you know be true thing where they what you talk this be the something where you what in junior pastor no too where you can't talk that thing you know where you talk say Obinim dey hiding Obinim dey where you dey spiritual realm no Obinim can't talk say it be true thing now him no you go hide out the hideout be very very what important do what give am because in church members you know some people bring them a matter the matter no if you think about the matter you no go feel what you no go feel bad the matter what in ending then in starting. So you know be Kennedy Japan something in the crowd na Kennedy Japan you know get time what give am. The time where you get give am now you go take read in Bible then get more knowledge for the Bible inside. So you there because you get plenty congregation where you there in body way for what if for minister to them if for you get lives where if for change what the my lifestyle the way they do them thing you get plenty pastors you some get plenty people where you for train and things. So Kennedy Japan matter there people for what take chop. Well, the president in directive where you bring, you know, we just say Ghana here we got plenty what popular churches where the thing they do. You go see say they finish first service, then finish second service, then what? They go bring the third service. Where them now to go talk say the services, you know, if you no go fit come, them a church inside too. You go fit dey what home, they inspire them what online, where they start they display the what decoration and things, you know, for the what the screen top say if you don't want donate, if you don't want pay your tithe and something now, you go fit pay what online. Then if you finish to where you know go fit do those things, where you did the church premises into inside that. If you do the normal something way, then they do inside. When they start they do the normal communion wine and two for what the church inside. If you dey house and they will tell say go buy bread, go buy wine and thing. All be the faith way you now to say if you good thing now. If you what, if you follow inside they make everything what go in pepper what give you. This be the matter where you can wear me flamboyant lifestyle. I talk say I for what? I for can't talk you people, they make you do what? Make you understand what are they talk. No? So that be what Obinim can what? Can talk. So this be the something. You go feel leave your comment. Your comment be very, very, very necessary.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
What be the matter where we come? You know say this world where we dey inside, if marry them what? Man and woman dey where they marry her. They not ready for any boy in face say this one for do house choice, this one for pay school fees, this one for do something. It be what? It be relationship be where they the both of you way you know go fit talk say this one go do this one go do that. But if you can't want a community inside for Africa your own, it be something where they make them say the man who pay where if you provide money give the woman, make the woman who cook food give the what? The kiddies where them they house on. Some video be they circulate for social media, brother man, sister. It not be easy. The woman who hold the husband for the video inside, where it they ship in husband, you know be easy. Where the kiddies need to dead there, them dead there when they spy, the fights you know where it they go on between the what? The mommy there, the puppy. It not be easy. Because search the matter inside now. It take like the woman no, the first in husband say make he give her what? Money. It take like it be something where the man need to do. Where you go talk say they go come, they go come, they go come, they go come, they go come. You know they come, he come you go come now the food need day say make he chop. He chop now he start to talk what he will do. You go talk say you go no money no come so money come I go give him. Where he say he be format now where you do and your husband need to do what? He they give him. Where you mean the woman no. The way brother man, sister, the way this woman beats the man, it not be easy. Yeah, if they want a society inside, the society where we dey inside no. Instead of if your husband no get money, you dey hand for talk because this world where we dey inside no. It not be something where you do if you put for your mind inside say chin try. If you do what? If you ask money from your husband, you be woman to where you there. If you go feel where they support your what? Your husband no. Some women be there, the man hand no they go, the man no they go, the man leg then they go. All they do say they go chop, then they go bed. Then they put all the responsibilities, you know, for the man in top. If the man no just follow, the man no get money, the man no do anything, say he go provide money need there, it be something the man no for what? For do. My nigga man me talk me say, them get woman be where them there, them be what? Them be lazy women where them dey. So if you man where you tell like they can't chassis that about topper. What if you do be say you get your own house, if you buy all the cooking utensils, so that everything be out put up. If you don't make the woman bring you anything, you about you make the woman bring you something now. Where you need to relax when you don't buy anything now. The woman know some issue be coming the woman in topper. The woman no go do him and say he dey go. You go take all the cooking utensils. So maybe cry they want silver them cook some hot water server, you know go do what? You know go get. This is what my nigga no talk me. He said he experienced that thing before. He said go where some woman be where the woman no, he come no, he bring in wardrobe, he bring in what? Everything there where they took they take cook food no. He bring out for the house inside no. He don't get the matter no, where the woman no swat the thing or what go. If it's something where he dey wanna what? Wanna community inside. Where there's something to where he come inside and he be say the way that they fight for the kiddies in the like them front, you know, he not tell. The reason why he not tell you be say, kiddies some people are then they spy things what very easy. Then when they grow up, they go talk say if you beat your wife or you beat your husband, it be normal thing because there be something where they observe, it be something where them now they spy say he did them what, them life inside. So they will take they grow. So if they marry her, if my wife do something, halfway them for what? They for talk and cool no. They will start to ship them what? Them wives, you know, or them what? Them husband. No? It be something where dey society inside. So this act there, e no good, because if you God where you dey do what, e dey spy man. You no be man where you dey spy what man. If be the man who say he go provide food, but if the man no get her, if you be woman where you get the money in summer, if you go fit do something that support. So women me there, they don't know what the other money some. Or women some when you musica. Because they put for the mama inside say, if the man now wait for do, so that one them go dead the house inside where them go home, say the man go come. The man need to come to where the man no bring money to her. You go see the akasakasa where the woman need to go feed the money in some cook food, they make them all chop. Charlie.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, Bomaden too much GH. On say me can ye Bonne pan kase ye pe wo wi ase asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomode na behwe too much GH behwe na subscribe bomode o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura